Today, we're comparing Motion versus Monday.com to help you figure out which one best fits your workflow. These two tools both claim to help you manage your projects and your team more efficiently, but they go about it in very different ways. So, in this video, we'll break down how each one works, what makes them different, and which one might be the better choice depending on what you actually need. We'll look at pricing, features, how each handles AI, and what's it like using them in real life. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether Motion or Monday.com is right for you, or if you might want to consider something else. And by the way, if you want to see how both of these tools compare to others like ClickUp, Asana, and Trello, I put together a free comparison chart. It's the ultimate overview of the top project management platforms. You can grab it from the link below. And if by the end of watching this video, you already know that Motion or Monday is your pick, my affiliate links are in the description too. No extra cost to you, and it does help support the channel. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. All right, let's begin by talking a bit about where each of these tools comes from and what they're aiming to do. Monday.com has been around longer. It started as a simple work management platform and over time evolved into what they now call a work OS. That means it's not just for managing tasks. You can use it for CRM, customer relationship management, creative workflows, IT, HR, you name it. It's packed with features and it's meant to be very customizable. Now, Motion is newer and it takes a different approach. Instead of giving you a big dashboard to plan everything yourself, Motion uses AI to actually plan your time for you. It pulls tasks onto your calendar, reschedules things when needed, and helps keep your day on track. It's built around your calendar and is a lot more focused on personal productivity. So, right away, you can already see a key difference. Monday is more about team collaboration and structure. Motion is more about saving time by letting AI handle the planning. Now, let's talk about what it's actually like to use these tools every day. Monday.com is powerful, but it can take a while to get used to. There's a lot of flexibility, and that's both a strength and a weakness. You can build custom boards, add automations, integrate with over 200 other apps, and even design dashboards to track anything you want. But getting it all set up takes time. Many teams even hire consultants to help get Monday.com up and running. Now, Motion is much easier to get started with. You create a task, assign a deadline, and Motion takes it from there. It puts it onto your calendar, reassigns it if someone's overloaded, and constantly adjusts based on what's happening. If you're used to opening your calendar first thing in the morning, Motion fits naturally into your routine. You don't need to build complex boards. It's more about just getting your work done. But that simplicity comes with trade-offs. Motion doesn't offer as much reporting. You won't get in-depth dashboards or resource tracking across departments like you do in Monday. It's designed for smaller teams, say up to 25 or 30 people. Beyond that, you might start to feel the limits. Next, let's look at how both tools use AI. This is where the experience really starts to feel different. How smart are these platforms with AI? Artificial intelligence is a big selling point for both tools, but they use it in very different ways. Monday.com has added the AI blocks. These let you build automated workflows using AI. You can create summaries, categorize data, generate reports, and even trigger tasks using natural language. But most of the time, you're still in charge of deciding what happens and when. The AI helps, but doesn't take over. Now, Motion, on the other hand, leans way harder into automation. You create tasks, and it automatically finds the best time for them on your calendar. It shifts your schedule when things change. It can even pull tasks from meeting notes using transcription and turn those into action items. It's not just suggesting ideas, it's actually doing the scheduling work for you. So if you're someone who doesn't like spending time organizing your day, Motion's AI could save you a lot of time. But if you want to control the full process, or if your workflows are more complex, Monday's more manual AI setup might work better. Let's move on and talk about collaboration. How well do these tools help teams work together? Collaboration and communication features. Monday.com is built for teams. You can assign tasks, comments, tag people, upload files, and even bring in external guests, all without extra charges. The interface is colorful and everything is organized into workspaces. It's easy to see what's going on across multiple projects. Motion allows collaboration too, but it's not the main focus. You can assign tasks to teammates and track workloads, but it doesn't offer deep team dashboards or detailed communication tools. It's more about making sure everyone has a manageable to-do list and time to get their work done. So if you're running a team with lots of moving parts, Monday is stronger on the collaboration side. But if your team is small and focused on execution rather than process, Motion is probably all you need. All right, now that we've looked at how teams work inside these platforms, let's talk about reporting and analytics. What can you track and measure with these tools? This is where Monday really pulls ahead. You can create custom dashboards, track KPIs, view timelines, and generate reports. You'll have all the data you need to make decisions at a high level. Motion also has some reporting, but it's a bit more basic. You can see who's overwhelmed or underworked and get a top-level view of what tasks are done or delayed. But it's not built for deep analytics. That's something to keep in mind if you're managing multiple teams or clients. After knowing what they offer, let's go over to what they actually cost. Pricing. What are you really paying for? If you're running a small business or a team of 10 people, you'll want to know exactly what you're paying for. Monday.com has a free plan that works for up to 2 people. And after that, you can move up to their basic plan, which starts at $9 per user per month. There's the standard plan at $12 and a pro plan at $19. If you need advanced features or have a big team, they also offer an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Now, Motion works differently. Their AI workplace plan starts at $19 per user per month, billed annually. But for most teams, the AI employees plan is the one to look at, and that's $29 per user per month. Now, one thing to note here is that guest users count as full seats on Motion, which means even collaborators outside your team will add to your costs. So, if price is your main concern and you're working with a lot of people, Monday is definitely more affordable overall. But Motion is charging more for the AI features built into the tool. Okay, with all that in mind, here's how to decide which one to actually use. Final verdict, who should use what? If your team is large, your workflows are complex, and you need flexibility, analytics, and a lot of collaboration, Monday is probably your best bet. It has more room to grow with you, especially if you're managing 30 plus people or juggling lots of departments. Now, if you're a solo founder, a small startup, or just someone who wants a clean, efficient tool that does the scheduling work for you, then Motion is a great option. It's fast, personal, and cuts out a lot of the busy work. So it's not really about which tool is better overall. It's about what you need. Do you want full control and complexity? Go with Monday. Do you want AI to help you get through your day faster? Go with Motion. And if you're still undecided, try both. They each offer a free trial, and you'll know pretty quickly which one feels more natural for your workflow. So, final thoughts. Motion and Monday both bring a lot to the table, but they're built for different kinds of users. Monday is like a giant toolkit. It can do just about anything, but you'll need to invest time to really make it work for your team. Now, Motion, on the other hand, is more like a personal assistant. It figures out when your tasks should happen and keeps your day running smoothly without you micromanaging every detail. And don't forget, if you're curious about how Motion and Monday stack up against other project management tools, you can grab my free comparison chart with the link in the description of this video. And if you already decided that Motion or Monday is the right fit for you, my affiliate links are in the description too. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps support the channel. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.